Have you been searching for a way to design, customize, and manage your AI tools? Well, with AI with white labels, you can do just that. Using AI white labels, you can create your AI tool, you can share it with others, manage it, and customize it however you want. Welcome to Reveal Power. My name is Toby, and I'm taking you through AI white labels and all that it offers you. Once you have access to the platform, you can see on the dashboard, you're a little welcome to white labels, and you can watch a demo video. Here you can see the agencies that you've created. You can choose to create a new agency. You can see your profile information. You can create new tools, and you can see the tools that you have already created. As you can see, this is a tool that we've already created. You can see the usage count, the load count, and the conversion rate of that tool. You can see other information about AI white labels. You can choose to explore the AI tools that are available for you. And from here, you can see the templates that are made available, and you can choose which template you'd like to use. You can see the recent templates that you've probably used, from Storyteller AI to text personality and so much more. You can view all the tools that are available for you. You can see, as I previously mentioned, one that has been created. You can take a look at your collections, which will be a total grouping of the AI tools that you've created. You can take a look at your integrations. And integration is very important because the integrations that you have make AI white labels very easy. You can integrate your domain. You can integrate 11 Labs, which gives you a unique voice. You can integrate your autoresponders. You can integrate your SMTPs, OpenAI, and Stripe when it comes to payments. Your agency helps you to choose and manage your agencies. You can have multiple agencies under one account. You can take a look at marketing, where you can create a sales copywriter. Creating a sales copywriter, you can choose to create a new campaign. You can enter a campaign name. When you're okay with that, you see that a sales copywriter will be created when you fill in your headline, the information you want, the generated prompts, and you see the results. And all of it will be created, and you can download your doc, which you can use in your copywriting emails. Next, you can create a page builder where you can build landing pages all with the help of AI. And you can choose your product name. You can select the keyword, which will be the AI tool that you previously created, the country you want to target, the language, and the style of the landing page. When you click on next, you can select a specific template. You selected one, next, and you can see that it will be generated. You can make videos from AI white labels. You can create a new video, enter the campaign name, choose the topic, the country, the language, and your style, and click on create. From the point that it is creating, first it creates the script, then you can customize. As you can see, this is a previous video that we've created the script, and now we can go ahead to customize it. Now you can see the text that is automatically included in this video. You can see the text, you can see the videos that are included, and if you're satisfied with it, you can either render or change specific things about that video. And you can go ahead to render it if you're satisfied. So it starts rendering. Next, you can create images with AI white labels. And you can see this is an image that we've previously created. You can download that image, delete, preview, or edit, or you can create a new image. And this image is based on the AI tool that you've already created. So let's enter an image name. You can choose the platform that your image is made for. AI tool you've created, let me say create. And also you can reach out to help and support. So you might be wondering, we're talking about AI white label, talking about the AI tool. So can we create a tool? For sure we can. We can choose to create a new tool, and we can pick from the templates that we've previously seen, or we can create a custom tool, a totally custom tool using the tool builder. We can browse templates and pick one based on a specific category, let's say sales. And let's take a look at the ideal customer profile, or Ad Genius. And now we select our tool name. Let's call it Ad Experts. You can include a little description. You can upload a logo for your tool, or go ahead and create a new tool. And you can see the tool has been created. Now all you have to do is to build it. You can see the AI prompt that is being used on the back end for that tool. And you can also edit and make changes to it. You can see the prompt that comes from the system. You can see the output type, if you want it to be an image, raw text, HTML, JSON, or a text. You can see the provider that's being used, which is OpenAI. And if you've embedded your own OpenAI API, it will be yours that will be used. You can see what version of OpenAI ChatGPT is being used, the GPT-4o, GPT-4, GPT 3.5 Turbo. You can see the questions that have been asked to the user. You can change information from those questions, or you can test. And if you're satisfied with what is here already, you can click next. You can change the information from the form styling to customize how the font looks. You can see. You can change the text color. You can change what the button says. You can choose a background color for the button. You can choose if you want AI white labels to show or not. You can add any custom CSS to this form. Next, you can choose, based on the integrations that we have, to collect payments through Stripe, use OpenAI to connect OpenAI for our customers. And since we've not integrated any of those, we can simply click on next. And now we can share with others or embed it on our website. So when people visit our website, they see it. Or when people copy the link, they're able to view it on another page. As you can see, we can enter our ad expert and say, enter a text for product description. You can enter a target audience. You can choose the tone. You can choose whether to use emojis. Or you can choose a specific platform. And you can simply generate. And you can see the ad copy. You can copy it and use it wherever we need to. So as you can see, AIWhiteLabels has a lot of tools that will help you to build your AI team and to advance. A link to AIWhiteLabels is in the description of this video, and if you have any question, need any clarification, you can ask and we'll be able to answer you. See you in the next one. Goodbye.